So how do we secure Android? Well, let's answer that question right now. To secure an Android device, here are do's and don'ts. Do enable a screen lock. Do only download apps from the Android market, from Google Play. Do keep your Google Android antivirus not only installed, but up to date. Do keep the OS updated. Install some kind of free protector app. Customize the locked home screen and install endpoint security. Do not root your Android device, certainly not a production device. If you're just learning and you want to experiment, that's fine, but not anything that actually could have you lose important data. And do not download APK files directly from just anybody's website or sideload them from unknown sources or install them because you clicked a link or because someone sent it as an email attachment. Google has an apps device policy. You can allow domain admins for Google Apps to set security policies for the Android device, which will increase security. You can set security policies enforced by the company's IT admin, which can include configuring ringing, locating, locking Android devices. So this does allow for company admins to control at least the Google Apps security policies on your company location. Here are some Android security tools: Droid Sheep Guard, TrustGo, Sophos, 360 Security, AVL, Avira X-ray vulnerability scanner. You can just see an example of Droid Sheep Guard right here, and it'll tell you someone seems to be hacking using ARP spoofing on the network. Or you can say Wi-Fi was automatically disabled to prevent hijacks. So this is you can ignore or disconnect Wi-Fi or open it up and take a look. So that is an example of one tool. For your Android tracking devices, Find My Phone, Pray Anti-Theft, My Anti-Theft, Where's My Droid, iHound, Gadget Track, Total Equipment Protection App, AndroidLost.com, many other tools to try to help you locate where your device is in case it's stolen. And then the thing is when you do locate your device, if it was stolen or lost, you can set up locking, you can wipe it, you can monitor the use of the SIM, you can change passcodes, you can turn on GPS, you can have messages pop up saying, hey, if you found this, I'm monitoring you, please return, no questions asked, or whatever you want to say. You can whitelist, blacklist applications. You can see, if there's any kind of theft, you can try to locate, or geofence, which basically turns off features inside or outside of a geographical area. So those are some of the things we can do to protect our Android devices.